What's going on, guys? This is ClutchFirst, and we have the lovely A with me, all in black, looking all fine as usual. Of course you're not gonna let me go. It's like genius. Grab some food. It is late night. It's actually 12 o'clock at night.
Hi.
How you doing?
Yeah. Let's go home.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm getting tired.
Alright, so we're gonna head home?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Bring it up. There we go.